Alright, yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2021 Toyota Camry LE, and we're doing the front and rear brake pads on it. Alright, and now this is an indicator for your brake fluid, your brake level. Once your brake level is down below the max line, which is, this is way down here, that means your brake pads are low. Now if it was full, it'll be at the max line. You won't have to worry about anything. So if you ever was wondering like if your brake pads are low, you don't want to take off the tire and inspect. All you need to do is pop your hood, check your brake level, and see where your max line is.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, we got bolt right here. We take that out, swing the caliper up, get these pads on. That's a 14 mil. You can see how low these pads are. Take off your hardware. Go ahead and spray it down with brake cleaner. New hardware. Alright, so you want to match that up with your squeal on there. Alright, now we're gonna put it on both pads now. And you want to put your grease on the back of the pad. We're going to push that piston back and lube our guide pins. Just notice this here. That's bad. I need a new caliper. Alright, now this is what's going to make that brake fluid push back up to the max when you push that piston back. That's it. Got to hold that and tighten it. Alright, that's gonna be it, man. And the passenger side is the same way, so I'm gonna just go ahead and go to the rear and let you see that. On to the rear, and we got two 14 millimeters holding that caliper. Pull that off. Same thing. Got the squealers on there. New hardware. Push that piston back. Get these guide pins. That's it. Front and rear, man. Same thing for the passenger side. Alright, we done all the way around. Let me show you how the brake fluid looking. And we above the max. Alright, I hope the video helped out. Until next time, pull up, King.